Hello again, welcome to Today Art. Today's video we're going to be working on one of my miniature infinities. I call them the mini fin. It's this little piece right here, okay? And here's the photograph that goes with it. So we're just going to be working on general areas, okay? Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video. My little kitty Goldie, she just wants to give me a helping paw. I'm using my 1/4 wisp brush here to start dabbing in some details on those trees. This is the infinity part where the painting continues right on around the frame. This little painting was looking rather scattered, but it is starting to come together now. I'm expanding some of that reflection using a round number 4. As a matter of fact, I'm just now noticing that the reflection needs to move over slightly. It's not quite lined up. I always seem to find things while I'm doing all this editing, and then I have to fix it on the next video, which this will happen on the next video. I'll fix it. I'm just kind of working on a little bit of everything in this video because I haven't really touched this one in a couple of months, and I thought it was about time that I worked on it a little bit. Here I'm defining some of the tall grassy area right by the water's edge. On a project this small, sometimes it's hard to see what's actually going on. So when you're doing a reflection, if you notice right above at the top of the painting, the cloud there is white. That's why I'm adding in the white areas here. I also decided that I'm not going to paint the log that's in the photograph. That's just one way to make your interpretation unique. If you enjoy watching me make progress on my painting projects or get value out of the information I share in my videos, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps my channel grow, and it's very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you would like to watch, please click on the link. No, that's not right. Okay, we'll be right back. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you would like to watch more of my videos, I have pinned a link in the comments to my playlists, and you're welcome to enjoy any video that you wish. Please visit my shop, Today Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much. I have posted a link in the description of this video. You have a wonderful day.